Hey, my fellow dreamers, my name is Denise Walsh, and I have a question for you. I want you to imagine your life in about 3 to 5 years. Really picture it as if it's exactly the same as it is now. What do you think about that? Really, I'm asking you. I've worked with thousands of people all over the world, and most of them tell me that on a scale of 1 to 10, they would rate their lives a 4. A 4? Really? But my guess is you could say the same thing. Stressed out, overworked, too much to do with no end in sight. And I don't know about you, but I know people who've lived this way for over 10 years. You know, a decade of complaining, a decade of feeling suffocated and overworked and filled with anxiety, a decade of living in debt but not knowing what to do about it, a decade of being bored or stuck and not knowing which way to turn. And what's worse is that our kids are watching and they believe that this is the way life is and they duplicate what they see. This is exactly how I felt when I was working at my clinical psychology job. I knew I didn't want to be there anymore, but I didn't know what else to do, and so I stayed stuck for far too long. Until I learned the strategies that I get to teach you in Dream Space Online. Dream Space Online is an e-course that's going to help you go from where you are now to where you truly want to be. It's going to give you the confidence and courage to say yes to your dream life each and every day and give you the tools and strategies to actually go get it. Let me show you exactly what I mean. All right, well, let's take a look at the inside of Dream Space Online. As you can see, there are 3 distinct sessions. Session 1 is Spark, Session 2 is Release, and Session 3 is Dream. Now, each session has several lessons throughout, and each lesson has a video component as well as a worksheet that you can print off and work through. Now, one thing to know is that each session does compound on top of each other, so you will want to complete the first exercise thoroughly and completely before moving on to the next. Spark focuses on reconnecting you with who you are and who God created you to be. We are so busy in our fast-paced world that we're often focused on what other people need and want from us, that we lose sight of who we are and what we really love and enjoy. And in Spark, we are going to reignite your inner flame by connecting you with what you love, your successes, what brings you joy, and your life purpose. In Release, we are going to let go of anything that could be holding you back because it absolutely is impacting you today. Whatever negative emotion you may be holding on to, whether it's anger, guilt, resentment, jealousy, comparison, fear, I give you a specific and powerful exercise to heal through and let go of that onion layer. Next up is Dream. This is super fun. This is when we get super clear and excited about what it is we want. We make one smarter dream life goal, and I give you the daily action to-dos and steps to make sure you actually see it through fruition. You guys, I don't know where you're at right now, but I know if you're ready to level up, maybe you're going through a transition or a pivot in your life and you're asking yourself, what's next? The Dream Space Online curriculum is going to help you go from where you are to where you want to be and experience your own personal breakthrough. I cannot wait to hear how much you love the inside of Dream Space Online. It's so beautiful. And I know you're going to love the content too. So not only do you get Spark, Release, and Dream with the videos and the exercises, but I'm able to offer you 4 more strategic bonuses. The first one is a 30-minute clarity call with me. This is a $150 value, guys. And what we're going to do is we're going to get on the phone one-on-one. I'm going to take you through some specific questions to help you get super clear on what it is you want. So I know, in fact, you actually get it. You're going to be able to ask me questions, and we're going to go through your life plan. Second, you get the live version of Dream Space and the recordings of the workshop I did in January. You're going to see me teach these topics from stage and feel the energy in the audience. Third is the access to the CEO Mindset Vault. Every month in their Dream Life community, I have an expert come in and share their wisdom and expertise with us, and you're going to have access to that too, plus the ones we've done in the past. And then last but not least, this has never been done before. My husband Brandon has agreed to do a video to share with you his favorite Facebook ads, messaging bot, internet marketing tips, and tricks. You guys, we want to help you get your message out in front of the right people who are ready to buy, and he's going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm so excited that not only you get Dream Space Online, but all of this added value that I am guaranteeing that if you don't see a change or a shift in your life, I'll give you your money back. You know, my job is to help your life get better. My job is to give you a roadmap for that growth. And if you don't feel like you got that through watching the videos and doing the exercises, then no questions asked. I'll give you your money back. And now down the road, this program will be at least $499. It will, really. But for now, our introductory price is $199. But you know what? For you, the early birds, I'm offering it all for you for $99. I know, I'm so excited. There's 100 spots that will get the $99 early bird special. So my suggestion is for you to say yes to Dream Space Online. Connect with me with our clarity call and start dreaming now. Now imagine your life in 3 to 5 years after you've said yes to yourself. You've created your game plan. You're executing on it. You've released the things that are holding you back, and you've learned the skills and strategies I teach in the Dream Space Online program. Imagine yourself in 3 to 5 years living your dream life. I can't wait. I know this has worked for me, and it's worked for thousands of my clients, and it will work for you too. So say yes today, and I'll see you on the inside.